Dr. Pepper is being removed from soda fountains. Coca-Cola revives Mr. Pibb to replace Dr. Pepper in restaurants and theaters. Recently, Dr. Pepper has officially vanished from Coca-Cola-affiliated fountains across much of the U.S., all thanks to a Texas court ruling that ended the long-standing distribution deal between Keurig Dr. Pepper and Reyes Coca-Cola Bottling. The court order, which went into effect last Monday, gives Dr. Pepper full control of its own supply chain for the first time in decades and leaves Coca-Cola scrambling to fill the cherry-flavored gap in its beverage lineup. That replacement is Mr. Pibb. First launched in 1972 as a direct Dr. Pepper rival, Mr. Pibb has always lived in the shadow of its better-known competitor. It's the kind of soda you only notice when Dr. Pepper runs out. Now, it's having a moment. Coca-Cola quietly relaunched Mr. Pibb earlier this month, complete with updated packaging and a new pitch: high caffeine, bold spice. Each 12-ounce can packs in 41 to 54 milligrams of caffeine. That positions it closer to the energy drink market than the nostalgic soda aisle. It's an intensely flavored, spicy cherry alternative, Coca-Cola said in a statement, leaning into the idea that Mr. Pibb isn't just a stand-in, but it's a comeback. The split marks the end of a long and complicated relationship between two giants. For years, Coca-Cola handled the fountain distribution of Dr. Pepper across several markets in the U.S., despite the brands being corporate rivals. The arrangement worked until Keurig Dr. Pepper decided it wanted its brand back under its own control. The shift won't affect bottled or canned Dr. Pepper sales at retail stores, but it will change what's coming out of many restaurant and fast food soda fountains, especially at places like Costco, AMC theaters, and smaller chains that use Coke's beverage systems. For devoted Dr. Pepper drinkers, that could mean heartbreak, or at least a little confusion, the next time they hit the soda lever and get a spicier, fizzier imposter. The timing is uncanny. Coca-Cola's cane sugar classic Coke is just starting to roll out, and now Mr. Pibb, its long-forgotten sidekick, is suddenly back in the spotlight. Whether the move helps Coca-Cola fill the Dr. Pepper void or simply reminds people what they're missing remains to be seen. But for the first time in a long while, Mr. Pibb has a stage, and the soda wars just got even more interesting. Because if there's one thing Americans love almost as much as cola itself, it's picking sides in a flavor fight.